Clayton Keller Shingle Bride. It's March 12th, 2018. It's about 35 degrees. Beautiful day to be playing in the water. We're out in Fair Grove at a farmhouse out here. We're going to clean the house. You can see behind me, we've got that detached garage over there and all the concrete around it. So we're going to get set up and show you how we wash a house. All right, we're getting set up here. You can see this house is on the market. We're going to get it all looking perfect so they can sell it a lot quicker. We got Grant over there getting everything ready. Good morning, Grant.
Morning.
He's getting the hoses out, getting the water all hooked up, and we're getting ready to go. Hello? Yeah, you gonna help us out today? Yeah. You're keeping a good eye on things, aren't you? We're going to be cleaning this concrete today. We're going to treat it to kill all this stuff that's growing on there, and then we will come in with our professional grade concrete cleaning equipment. We use what's called a surface cleaner, and I'll show you how we use that here when we get started. I think you're going to see a big difference in this. All right, we got Grant applying the treatment to this concrete right here. We're going to treat it, we're going to kill everything that's growing on it, and then we'll pressure wash it, make it look really good. This process here will make it last a lot longer, make it look a lot better. So we're going to spray this, let that basically cook on there while we clean all the siding. Alright, we're getting ready to clean the siding back here. You can probably see the little dots and the gray stuff that's on the siding there. And we've got on this other building over here, we've got a lot of green. We're going to get rid of that, get all that stuff off the gutters. We'll go ahead and treat this deck as well, get the green off of it. And Grant's getting ready to spray this concrete right here. We'll get this all cleaned up too. This is just a little extra stuff we like to take here. I've got a really nice place out here. Love to have this garage he's got. Got a few chickens. Pretty nice. Alright, we've got the deck all wetted now. Now we're putting our cleaning solution on there. Grant's going to go ahead and hit all the patio furniture while we're at it. Get all the green off it too. Alright, we're getting ready to we're doing the back of the shed. You can see the green and stuff on it. Low pressure process. We're putting our detergent on there. It's going to kill that. It's going to get all that off of there too. That's what turns green on you before long. Makes it look old and dingy. Alright, now we're working on the siding. Again, low pressure process. We just get it nice and wet with our cleaning solution or detergent. You can easily hit that second story peak. It's windy out here, it's cold. We'll go even have to try to get up that high. You can hear me, but cleaning the concrete. This thing's do wonders. Alright, everything's clean, rinsed off. Shed's looking great. Those gaskets up there were black earlier, now they look like brand new. Here's the concrete earlier that I was showing you. It's obviously very wet, but you can see all the spots and everything's gone. Definitely gonna look a lot better. Here's the north side of the garage. All clean, rinsed, getting pretty dry. Get up close, you can see all those black spots and specks and stuff are all gone. Here we are in the back of the house. Got the green knocked off the deck, even knocked it off of the patio furniture. It's looking a lot better. The siding's clean, gutters are clean. Got the concrete clean. There's a few rust stains on there. Those won't come off, but Again, we were looking at that siding earlier. You can see there's none of that specks, that gray stuff. Gutters look like they just got installed. Everything looks awesome. As always, that's a wrap. Shingle Bright signing out.